Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2017 heavy duty Volvo to show you today. This is not your run-of-the-mill Volvo. This is VD16, 600 horsepower, 18-speed Volvo. It's only got 126,000 miles. It's got full lockers, a wet kit, and 46,000 rears. Let's go ahead and get it fired up. I'm gonna do a full walk around for you, show you what we got here. It does have a fault for, noticed it earlier, it's calling for a regen, so we need to do that, and then as long as all that processes, then we should be good to go. But you can see the miles there, 126. And if it does need a sensor or something like that, then we can obviously get that taken care of as we run it to the shop. Extremely clean interior. Body and paint's exceptional. Got a little bend to the bumper there on the edges. Nothing big. This one did not come out originally white. As it got in here, it was not very pretty, so we went ahead and had a new white paint job put on it. It was not wrecked when it came in, just was actually yellow, had red and yellow on it, so I decided to go ahead and paint it all white. Back of the cab's in great shape. Frame rails are in good shape. Good tires, good brakes. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.